Bu videoda internetda 25 million prosmotr bo'lgan eng qo'rqinchli videoni siz bilan birga ko'rib chiqamiz. Tayyormisiz? Qani boshlaylik. Xo'p, jigarlarim, ma'lumot o'rnida sizlarga aytib o'tib ketaman. 25 million prosmotr YouTube'da. Bu degani deyarli O'zbekistonda deyarli yarim aholisidan ko'proq prosmotr bo'lgan. Men uchun qiziq, sizlar uchun topdim buni. Bu videoni ataylab izlanib, bilasizlar, yuragimdasizlar. Qani boshladik bo'lmasa.
Bro, how do you feel safe going here if this guy's own daughter?
Qisqacha yana aytib o'tib ketaman. Ikkita bloger chiqishini qaranglar. Ha, bu qisqacha obzori. Ungacha men gapirib o'tib ketaman sizlar uchun. Gapim bo'lyapti bular. Jigarlarim, ikkita bloger yana gap turishini qaranglar buni. Ha, shu joyda aytib ketaman. Yuragi bo'shlar bu videoni ko'rmasin. Tavsiya qilmayman. Hozirroq o'tkazib yuboring. Biz esa boshladik.
Let's hit 100,000 likes for more.
100 mingta like so'rayapti bu bloger. Menga hajab 2 mingta like yig'ib beringlar. Bosib beringlar, iltimos. Bular 100 mingta. Mayli, bizga ham bosib qolishar 2 mingta. 18 yoshli qizcha bularni blogerlarda Gmailga yozgan, yordam so'rab. Yordam, meni uyimga kelib, tekshirib beringlar, sizlar shu yo'nalishdasizlar. Meni dadam o'zgarib qolgan 2-3 kundan beri deb yordam so'rab yozgan. Xo'p, tushundik. Isbotlari bilan ko'rsatamiz deyapti. Dada deyapti.
What are you doing?
Turishini qaranglar buni.
So tonight we've decided to go to Bailey's house and see what's happening.
Katta video qiziq bo'ladi shekilli. Bitta like bosib qo'ying. Ko'ramiz oxirigacha. Reklamani kesib tashlaymiz montajda. Jigarlarim, ko'ryapsizlar, harakat qilib, har 2 kunda bir videolar chiqaryapman sizlar uchun, sizlarni zo'r kontent ko'rsatib berish uchun sizlarga. Nima deb o'ylaysizlar? Shunaqa kontentlarim sizlarga yoqyaptimi, yo'qmi? Buni bilish uchun, men o'zim bilishim uchun kommentariyaga yozib yuboringlar. Men bitta-bitta o'qib chiqaman va like bosib qo'ying hoziroq obuna bo'ling. Bu menga juda katta motivatsiya beradi. Siz uchun 3 soniyalik ish, lekin bu men uchun kelajagimda yana ham bundan ham zo'r kontentlar qilishim uchun menga kuch bo'ladi, menga motivatsiya bo'ladi. Jigarlarim, podдержка qilib hoziroq mana shu videoga iloji bo'lsa 2000 ta like yig'aylik. 2000 ta obuna, 2000 ta like. Va sizlarga zo'r videolar, zo'r kontentlar chiqarib beraman. Biz tez kunda 10 mingta bo'lishimiz kerak. Birga bo'lsak, hammasini uddalaymiz. Jigarlarim, videoning davomini ko'rishingiz mumkin. Ketdi. Mana jigarlarim, boshiga qaytdik. Video boshlandi. Kechki soat 9:57 bular o'sha qizni uyiga boryapti.
Well, her dad's accident's none of our business. We're not doctors.
Dude, just try to have some empathy.
Men tushunishim bo'yicha, agar o'zini dadasidan qo'rqib turgan bo'lsa, biz nima uchun boryapmiz? Nimaga tavakkal qilyapsan deyapti. Borishimiz kerak, yordam berishimiz kerak degan ma'noda gapiryapti. Bular yo'lda ketyapti. Jigarlarim, bu yangicha format. Men iloji boricha zo'r kontent qilib berishga harakat qilyapman. Bitta like, bitta obuna bosib qo'ying. Bundan ham zo'r kontentlar hali oldimda. Xo'p, yetib kelishdi.
Are you sure you actually want to go in there?
Bu uyda hech kim yashamaganga o'xshaydi deyapti, qorong'uligidan.
Yo, let's go knock on Bailey's door, okay?
All right.
Ishini taqillatyapti. Bilaman, sizlar ham ko'ryapsizlar. Video qiziqroq bo'lsin deb gapiryapman-da.
Hi.
Qizcha ochdi.
Are you Bailey?
Yeah.
You emailed us about your dad? Is it cool?
Sen bizni Gmail'imizga yordam so'rab yozodingmi deyapti. Biz kelishimizni xohlab.
You have to be quiet. My dad's sleeping.
Men dadam uxlayapti, sal sekinroq gaplashaylik deyapti.
Thanks.
Uyda qaranglar, qop-qorong'i, svet ham o'chiq.
So Bailey, thank you for letting us sit down with you. So can you tell us about everything that's been going on?
Yeah, so a little
Qachondan
over
beri
a week
buncha
ago, I
o'zgarib
came
qoldi,
home
deb.
from college and I was expecting to see my whole family.
Shunaqangi uyda yashasa bo'larmikan, nima deb o'ylaysizlar?
Sister and my dad. When I came home, I realized my mom and sister were gone.
So your dad was the
Singlim
only one
bilan
from your family here?
Onamlar
Yeah,
ko'chib
and when I
ketishgan,
first
deyaptimi?
got
Tushunmadim shu
home,
joyda.
I walked in and
Ingliz tilini
there was
bilganlar
this
kommentariyga yozib
weird
yuboringlar.
note on the counter. I guess it was supposed to be from my mom.
Can we see the note?
What did it say?
Yeah, I actually kept it. Give me a second.
Bo'lgan voqealarni tushuntiryapti. Qanaqa o'zgarish bo'lgan, nima bo'lgan. Xo'p, qaytib chiqyapti. Qo'lida nimadir olib chiqdi. Qanaqadir qog'oz menimcha.
Me and sister go to eat from mom? Bro, what?
Okay, nice. Here you go. You sit down.
Men miyam perezagruska berib yuborib, tushunmay qoldim nima deganini.
So you haven't heard from your mom or sister?
Shuncha ingliz tilini o'rganish kerak.
No, at first I tried asking my dad what happened, but I think he's been.
To'g'risi bu
some kind of-
haqiqiy Amerikani blogerlarining videosi, uzr adashib ketdim, videosi. Shuni hisobiga ruscha ozvuchkada, ruscha tarjimada topolmadim.
Since I got back. But last night was different. He sounded really mad.
G'alati bo'lib qolgan
Broke
deyapti.
the lock open.
Juda ham qo'rqinchli.
Then he just stared at me in my doorway, drooling.
What?
I thought he was going to.
Ne bu uylar, mebellar salapanda, qop-qorong'i buni uyda yashash mumkin.
So what have you noticed that's different about his behavior and his personality?
Me and my dad used to be really close. Like we were best friends. But he doesn't talk to me anymore. I think the only thing he said to me since I got home was asking me if he can meet my friends. I think he wants to meet my new friends I made in college. He also seems really confused. I tried to care for him,
Tasavvur
but
qilinglar.
he just locks himself
To'g'risi,
in his
men
room.
bunaqangi uyda
What's he doing in there?
I don't know.
yashamasdim.
Every night I
Sizlarchi
can hear him groaning.
bir kun bo'lsa ham yashagan bo'larmidinglar, yo'qmi? Kommentariyaga yozinglar.
I also hear this really weird old music coming from his room at night. I think he's watching something.
Okay, so Chester and I kind of want to go talk to your dad now. Why don't you just head to your room now and get ready for bed, and we'll stop by later to set up a camera?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, come on.
Ko'rsak bo'ladimi deyapti, ha albatta deyapti. Ketdi, turib ketyapti. Xo'p, endi nima bo'lar ekan? Lekin men qiziqdim. Dadasining xonasiga ketyapti.
I don't think we should talk to this
Bular
guy.
bir kecha shu uyda qolar ekan. Shunaqangi kelishuv
He's
bo'libdi.
like mentally unstable.
Dude, we're just talking. It's not a big deal. Come on, let's go now.
Alright, fine.
Men ham shunaqangi kontentlar qilgim kelyapti, bor-ku. Faqat ozgina vaqt kerak. Chunki auditoriyamiz kichkina hali. Siz podyashka qilib bitta hozir like bosing,
Stanley?
podpiska bosing, auditoriyamiz katta bo'lsa, shunaqangi zo'r videolarni biz qilib ko'ramiz. Haqiqiy dunyoda o'zimiz topib, shunaqa uy, shunaqa video olamiz. Xonani qaranglar qorong'iligini.
He's not in there.
Where is he?
I don't know, dude. Let me just go hide that camera in his room. Come on.
Okay.
Ha, kameralarni o'rnatyapti. O'sha kameralar o'rnatish boshlandi. Qo'rchoqni qaranglar. Men o'zim sekin gapiryapman.
I think he was eating.
Bitta hamma joylarda tekshirib chiqishyapti.
And he's got a tape here too.
What? Bro, we're supposed to be hiding the camera.
Qanaqadir kaseta ham topdi. Nima ekan u kaseta?
Bro, why would you put that in there?
Wait, let me watch.
Kasetani qo'yyapti jigarlarim.
Bro, why would you put that in there?
Mashina qaranglar.
Bro, why are you touching his things?
Yo'llarim qaranglar qanchalik bor-ku bunaqa kontentlar. Shunaqa yoqadi menga, shunaqa kontentlar qilaman. Kuzatishni davom etinglar, meni bundan ham zo'r kontentlar qilaman hali. O'tirishini qaranglar bularni. Bularni uyda menimcha svet ham ulanmagan bo'lsa kerak. Jigarlar qaranglar. Qarashini.
Bro, turn that off. We need to leave.
Qo'rqyapti blogerlar, qo'rqyapti, realni qo'rqyapti. Shokda. Bu bloger qo'rqmaydi. Koridorda yuribdi. Koridorda o'zi bilan kameraga video olishni boshlaydi hozir.
Okay, guys, so we're just gonna put a couple more cameras down in this house.
Uyda aylanib chiqamiz, kameralar joylashtirib chiqamiz deyapti. Hamma joyga kamera qo'yapti.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, now let's go put the camera on Bailey's room. All right.
Nima deb o'ylaysiz, haqiqatan dadasi qo'rqinchli ruh ujisga aylanganmikan?
Bailey?
Dude, what's that noise in there?
I don't know.
Is something wrong?
Gaplashyapti dadasi bilan. Kim bu? Yuu, to'shini qaranglar. Jigarlarim, video 30 minutdan ko'proq ekan. Shu uchun birinchi nima desam bo'lar ekan, tekshiruv qilib birinchi qismini ko'rishga qaror qildim. Bu yo'nalish, bu kontent sizga yoqadimi, yo'qmi? Shu narsani men bilishim kerak. Agar mana shu videoga, agar siz davomini ko'rishni xohlasangiz, 2000 ta like, 2000 ta obuna kelsin mana shu videoda. Men 6 soatda yig'iladimi, 2 soatda yig'iladimi, sirazi davomini qo'yib yuboraman. Bu degani sizlarga bu video yo'nalish yoqdi degani uchun men o'zim uchun bilib olaman va sirazi chiqaraman. Jigarlarim, hammasi sizlarni qo'llaydi. Sizlarga qiziq bo'ldimi? Bitta like bosing, bo'lmasam, bitta obuna va davomi sirazi chiqadi. Har doimgidek tugatamiz. Keyingi videoda ko'rishguncha, xayr jigarlarim. Sizlarni yaxshi ko'raman.